Alright, today we're changing out the condenser fan on a 2011 Honda Odyssey. The first thing you want to do is take off this intake boot duct. Put that to the side. Next thing you want to do is take off your bumper, one side only. Drop it down like this. Next step, you want to take this shroud right here, a couple of these plastic, couple of these, take off of these ends, and this should come right off. With a little bit of wiggle. There you go. Next, you take off the grill, and it opens it up. It opens it up all the way, and after that, you take off the hood latch. And I already done this, so I'm just redoing it again to show you guys. Hood latch out the way, and you're gonna remove these brackets. It's like a condenser bracket and the radiator bracket. You're gonna take these off on both sides of the same. Once you take these off, you take the hose off right here. This hose off and this little hose, which I will show you. This little hose right here, you take that off, get out the way. And once you do all that, you'll be able to pull your radiator back some, and the fan should come out. I took the fan out already. The fan should come straight out from here. Straight out. Very easy. And that's all to it, guys. Nothing but all I needed was a 10mm ratchet and a screwdriver to get the bumper off, and a flathead screwdriver. Have a good day, guys.